Hi, John from Wise here to tell you about the Wise business and personal accounts. Since opening our doors in 2011, we've made a name for ourselves by offering affordable transfers with zero markup exchange rates. Markups make us sick, and apparently they make a lot of other people sick too, as 16 million people use Wise around the world. In fact, you may be one of our users wondering what exactly the difference is between the Wise business versus personal accounts. So in this video, I'm going to take you through exactly that. Let's discuss the key features and which account is best for you. So what's the difference? Wise has two types of accounts, the Wise account for personal use and Wise Business. Let's go over their similarities first. With both business and personal accounts, you can count on a low-cost, easy way to send international transfers and receive overseas payments. The personal Wise account is for people living, working, and traveling abroad. It's perfect for anyone who needs to send, spend, or receive money internationally. The account holds 40+ currencies, with currency conversions made at the mid-market exchange rate. Both business and personal account holders can also get a debit card, which can be used to spend in different currencies all over the world. That's pretty nice. Also, both business and personal accounts have not only physical, but digital cards too. For more about our accounts and availability, we put a link in the description. Business accounts can also get multiple cards for their team as well, which will help manage expenses, whether paying for a team lunch or during a business trip abroad. Here are the main differences you'll notice after getting a Wise business account. This Wise business account adds features that are helpful for freelancers, entrepreneurs, and established companies. They make it easier to run your business, keep your business and personal finances separate, cut costs, as well as get paid on time. Here are some of the perks of getting a Wise business account. Number 1. Receive payments with ease. E-commerce has helped small and large businesses sell online and across borders. After paying a one-time fee, you can also get Wise business account details in key currencies. This way you can get paid in 9+ currencies like a local, like US dollars, euros, British pounds, or Canadian dollars. Whether you're selling on Amazon or moving funds from your PayPal account, you can count on Wise's account details to receive payments like a local. Number 2. Batch payments. With batch payments, you can pay up to 1,000 invoices in a single click, which will make international payroll much easier. Number 3. Accounting integrations. There's more that comes with the Wise business account, like an accounting software connection with QuickBooks, Xero. This helps to keep track of payments, manage spending, while also keeping your accountant happy. You can reconcile these transactions easily and conveniently. You can't do that with a personal account. Number 4. Team access. If you have several team members managing your business needs, Wise Business offers the multi-user account access feature. Basically, you can decide what users see and what they can do on your Wise business account. You can even mix and match permission levels according to your specific needs. These accesses also extend to the Wise business card as well, where you can set spending limits according to your budget. This brings me to the final difference between the Wise business and personal accounts. Number 5. The Wise Business Debit Card. You can also spend business funds with Wise's Business Debit Card. No more pulling out cash for tiny purchases or letting your colleagues borrow the only company card. With Wise, you can also get multiple cards and even get digital cards, so you and your employees can manage your cash flow on the go. Only a low one-time fee separates you from spending with the Wise Business Debit Card. Do you already like the sound of all these opportunities? Tap on the link here or on the one in the description and get your account. Here's what you'll find once you start the sign-up process. First, register for an account. Head over to the sign-up page. Second, enter details about your business. Share your business details like where you're located, the industry you're in, your business registration, its name, country of residence for all stakeholders, and a document showing who owns or controls the company. Third, enter details about yourself. You'll also need to share your personal details to verify your identity, such as your social security number. If you're not a company director, you might need to add extra information to confirm your authorization. Fourth, Set up your account. If you're choosing to open account details, you'll need to pay the one-time fee, which will also get you access to account details for global currencies such as US dollars, Canadian dollars, euros, and British pounds. Fifth, verification. Next, you'll need to wait until we verify your business. Typically, it takes less than 10 working days. Verification helps us to keep everything safe. And number 6, you're verified. Once you're verified, you'll get a confirmation email sent out to you. Please keep in mind that new team members will also need to be verified when added to the account. Wise personal fees versus Wise's business fees. With both Wise accounts, there is no monthly fee or minimum balance requirement. But depending on your location, there might be a fee for opening a business account. The fee for a Wise card also varies depending on location. So to make it completely transparent, I put a link to our pricing page in the description, where you can see fees and even filter by country. We've made it through all the differences, but you still may be considering if your business fits with Wise and how to get the Wise business account if you already have a personal one. What kind of businesses use Wise? So you've got the basics now, but who's using Wise Business and does it fit your business? Most types of businesses can use Wise. Here's a short list of businesses we're working with on a daily basis. Freelancers and sole traders, limited and public companies, large or small, partnerships, charities, and trusts in certain countries. Does your business need an enterprise solution? Wise Platform can help you with that. For the sake of clarity, here's a link that will help you with what you need to know. Looking to switch from Wise Personal to Business or vice versa? It's simple. You don't need to change your Wise Business account to a personal one. You can simply open a personal account alongside your business account. If you're looking to close your business account, simply withdraw the remaining funds and close the account. Then you'll have the Wise Personal account for all of your non-business needs. Want to give Wise Business a try? Whether you need to sync bill payments with QuickBooks, pay several employees at once, or receive payments from overseas, Wise Business is here to help you manage your business efficiently and at an affordable cost. And that's it for this video. Tap here to follow our channel dedicated to business features only. New videos are already coming there. Also, let us know in the comments what else you'd like to know about Wise Business. We'll get back to you. Until next time.